can't do is another easy. Get these, they hang off like so it should look like that. So they should hang off four like that, and you also need these pieces to do it. Okay, now you get a rooftop piece and you put that there like that, so it should look like that. Now we just put, you don't have to have this, but it's a little gauge, and of course steering wheel and seat. There we are, steering wheel, seat and gauge. Now you need to put, now it's for this. These on, the connector bits, 2 red pieces, or you can just put a 4, and you can put that. You don't have to do these colours of course, you just put that there, and there we are. Now, you put these, now I'll just cut the video actually. So that's what it should look like. And